It's the 12th in the series, which means PLDI really loves array programming and finds arrays to be a great abstraction. I was not part of this community except when I went to South Korea last year. Had a lot of fun talking at Array, and the organizers said, hey, we would like to have somebody help run it since it's in US. I said, yeah, why not be okay. But unfortunately, the organizers got busy. They are both in Europe or UK, and they couldn't come. So I tried to connect them on Zoom. It's the time mismatch. So I kind of represent them, and Sri is going to help us run many things. So arrays actually proved to be the comfortable data abstraction in programming forever. These days, it has acquired a relevance in terms of how sparsity and the layout and locality had to be addressed for GPU programming. So they have acquired a second meaning or relevance. That is well represented in this year's program, as will be demonstrated by the keynote that Mary is going to give, and also Jared in the afternoon. So we have several talks. Many of the papers were short papers, and they are given 20 minutes. They are not in the proceeding. The 25-minute talks are for those who opted to send a 12-page or 13-page paper full length, so they get 5 minutes extra. I'll try to deconfuse the session chairs with respect to this 25-20 split. And we try to accommodate all the papers, just air the ideas, so that's where we are. So thanks to Artjoms and Sven who started me on this array programming. And the organization of PLDI is really excellent. Jenna DiVincenzo did an amazing job of publicity, so you may have seen multiple LinkedIn messages, and my LinkedIn profile went up a lot, so many of you know that. But barring that, she did a great job. And Jocelyn was very instrumental in helping the website and so on. So this is good news for somebody who wants to run it next year, because I really don't want to do this. But any junior person wanting to help run may find all this very encouraging, because workshops like this are rare, because they really offer a lot of help. Thanks so much for the PC, because they really do a wide variety of papers on time. And what we have done is to cluster Q&A. Well, there will be Q&A time at the end of every talk, but in the AM session, after all the regular talks are over, we have allocated a 10-minute session. And it'd be good to have 4 chairs or 3 chairs pulled up, 5 maybe, and have all of you ask common questions that cut across the themes. That might be ask me anything kind of a session. Let's hope that there will be a session where we can think of new things that we didn't think of in the talk, or try to relate to the talks. So that will be one
presenter wants to go. But do I have to, whenever a presenter wants to present, do I go up to them and ensure that they have true tone off, or I just shouldn't leave here?
If you can try to communicate it to the session chair and kind of like speak across the room,
yeah,
but don't leave the desk.
Fair.